Hello and welcome to the video. Now the last time I had this Element RC on the channel, I just bought the Trailrunner Fire body and put that on the builder's kit chassis along with the Trailrunner Fire wheels. And all that was left to do was to fit a driver and an interior. Now I had to think about that, and instead of buying another generic interior and more action figures, I decided to try some that I'd already made for my other RCs. So I tried this one, which is out of my HPI Toyota FJ Cruiser. And as you can see, it fits on the Element RC chassis very nicely. Now I didn't have to do any adjustments whatsoever, and the slots that I made for the rear body posts on the HPI FJ Cruiser were just the right size to fit over the Element RC rear body posts. And the holes that I made for the front body posts were just the right size for the Element chassis as well. So this is it with the Trailrunner Fire body on, and as you can see, it looks absolutely fine. Okay, all that's left is to take it out for a run. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.